so much for being here. You all look amazing. My name is Lisa Mangaldas, and it's an absolute pleasure to be your host this evening. And on behalf of Westin and Marriott International, I'd like to extend a very warm welcome. We have some very exciting news for all of you guys. And for me personally, it's such a delight to be here because normally when I host events, I have to wear like tight dresses and really high heels. And so for me to be able to do this in my gym clothes is like amazing. Fitness is really important to me, and so it's so great to be able to collaborate with a brand that believes so deeply in wellness. And I want to tell you a little bit about that before we proceed. So Westin Hotels and Resorts offers experiences that enable you to discover wellness, where you're given a choice not just to get up, but to rise. And to me, that is so, so incredible, because when you're on the road, when you're traveling, so much can come in the way of your wellness ritual. And when you're at Westin, though, that's not the case, because wellness is such a big priority for them that you are able to eat well, sleep well, move well, and nothing then comes in the way. You can transcend the rigors of travel when you're staying at Westin Resorts. So that is why it means a lot for me to be here, because as a host, I'm always traveling and always struggling to fit wellness into my hectic schedule. And checking in here, it just feels like home, you know? It's a place where you can be reinvigorated and refreshed. And it's just such a wonderful thing that you can
Good evening, everybody. Gives me great pleasure to welcome you all for this event. And like Lisa mentioned, just to see everybody dressed up in workout gear for what is supposed to be an official press event is just so energizing, and it's so different and it's so refreshing. So it makes me really, really proud to be a part of this, and I welcome everybody, and thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today. A little bit about why we chose Disha as the Westin brand ambassador. Westin is the brand for fitness with Marriott International. It is one of our 15 brands in the Marriott International Consortium in South Asia. And we have 9 Westin branded hotels in South Asia, in Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, Dhaka, Kolkata, and 2 in New Delhi. And just a little bit on a snapshot of what the brand is about. The brand has a long history in being innovators, and they have a long history in being innovators in the space of wellness. It's also probably the only brand, Marriott International is the only international company that has actually propagated one of its brands to really fit into the space of well-being and fitness. And around the world today, we're seeing travelers who are really realigning their properties into making well-being and fitness and health really a priority for themselves. And Westin as a brand is really proud to empower its guests in this quest. Also, wellness and fitness is an integral part of the Westin brand's DNA. We've curated a lot of experiences, a lot of touch points. When the guest embarks on his or her journey with the Westin brand, we want all of these experiences and all of these touch points to really engage with the guest, just so he feels empowered and he feels really energized to lead a healthy lifestyle when he's traveling with the Westin brand. Because as we all know, if you're on the road, if you're a business traveler, it's really, really hard to keep up with that regime. It's really hard to pack in those shoes in that tiny little bag that you would not probably check in. And Westin really empowers you to make sure that you're not missing out on your workout regime, you're eating right, and you're sleeping well. We believe Disha is really the right brand ambassador to sort of embody and symbolize everything that Westin really stands for in the wellness space. And she's really the perfect fit to influence our guests and really inspire them to lead that lifestyle. Now, I'll just give you a little bit about the whole wellness program. The whole Westin concept of wellness is actually divided into 6 pillars. So, which is eat well, move well, sleep well, feel well, work well, play well. And all our brand initiatives, all our marketing initiatives, as well as the touch points within every Westin branded hotel that you stay in actually amplifies those 6 pillars. Also, in 2017, Westin took this concept a step further, and we launched a campaign called Let's Rise Globally. And this Brand campaign really takes on the disruptions, the distractions, and the unpredictability of travel. And it empowers travelers to really embrace well-being in a way that they can regain control of their routine and be the best version of themselves. Disha, I'm sure she's going to come up soon, as the new brand advocate for the Western brand. She's going to really take on this Let's Rise concept. She's going to share her insights into what holistic wellness means to her, which is encompassing fitness, great nutrition, as well as what's the secret behind her beautiful figure. As part of this partnership, we're very proud that we're going to launch a 3-part video series around the 3 pillars of eat well, move well, and sleep well. And these are going to really visualize and enable our guests to envision the enhanced concept of Western. And we'll be playing those for you. We'll be launching them. This is going to be the first time that we're going to launch them with you all very shortly. And lastly, I'd just like to really touch upon why we really do the brand advocate program globally and what is it that really makes us choose the right fit for this particular brand. And we'd like to have a person whose approach to living aligns itself to the pillars. And it's also a very innovative way that a hospitality brand can really transcend the philosophy of wellness and the lifestyle of its guests and enable them and propel them to lead healthier lifestyles. So with that said, it gives me great pleasure to introduce and welcome Disha Patni on stage today. And she's going to be talking to us more about her. With us on this association. So, Disha, over to you.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for that sweet intro. Well, I hope you guys are having fun. And with Western, well, I'm really, really lucky and fortunate because health and fitness is something that I really do believe in. And I do believe that, you know, a person needs to be healthy more than anything, more than the way you look or more than the, you know, more than the things that you do. And that's what Western believes in. And they believe in keeping the guests healthy and fit. As she said, the 3 pillars, which are eat well, sleep well, and move well. As you can see, I'm really enjoying my move well thing. And they've got some great gyms. I remember going to Pune last week, and I really enjoyed the gym there. They have great equipments, and usually when I travel, I don't find great equipments in the gym in most of the hotels. You have to try the sweets, the bakery counter that they have there. I just checked it out. They've got the amazing food. Talking about sweet, I'll also talk about the healthy food, which is the Asian cuisine and the other kinds of food. I think it's a great combo to have health and taste mixed well together, and that's what they really believe in. They give you the best tasting food with full health, and you have this thing called a superfood as well, right?
Yes, we do. Yes.
Yeah, the superfoods, which are all healthy and everything. So I think it's very important for anyone who's traveling out of their home, out of their house, to get a treatment where they feel cozy and happy and they feel healthy. You know, they can get that homemade kind of food which is healthy and nice. The sleep well, I don't know if you saw my video properly. When I was lying down in that bed, I was
Heavenly
actually
bed.
sleeping.
Yeah, heavenly bed.
It's called as Heavenly Bed, and it was so comfortable. I actually passed out while the director was shooting me. So yeah, these are the things that I really love about Western, and I'm very, very, very happy and grateful that I'm a part of something which thinks like me and which thinks about the health of people and health of the guests. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful.
Disha. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lisa, over to you.
Much. You look amazing. You give us some major fitness goals, wellness goals, and all of that. Both of you, stunning women, such perfect role models and ambassadors for everything we're talking about. And now, on that note, we have a really exciting wellness workshop for all of us to participate in. I'd like to invite on stage wellness expert and Zumba instructor Padmavati Iyengar. And I'm going to take my place in the front row. I hope all of you guys will really get into it. I think this is going to be a lot of fun.
Hey guys, good evening. Really, is that the energy we have? Good evening, guys.
Hey!
Okay, okay. You know what? So, what we're going to do here for the next 10, 15 minutes is move well. We're going to do something called Zumba. Anyone here that's done Zumba before? Okay, we'll do it. We'll do it anyway, right? So, my name is Padmavati Iyengar. I am a licensed Zumba fitness instructor. I'll be conducting the session for the next 10 minutes now. What I would want you all to do is move. Please get up your seats. And all of you gather here, please. Everyone. Is anyone allowed to sit here? No? No? Yeah? Come. Guys, you all have 10 seconds. Let's see how well you can move. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I see people like walking and thinking, okay, whether we should do it or not do it. You're here, guys. You might as well do something fun, right? Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you. You're the one. Okay, can we all spread out, please? Can we all please spread out? It's going to be fun. I'll make sure that it's a lot of fun. Anyone here that likes dancing? Okay, I see this. No, I don't think everyone likes dancing. This is not I like. If I like something, I'm going to do this. Do you like dancing? Yes. Awesome, perfect. So that's exactly what we're going to do. It's going to be very, very, very simple. It's not going to be a choreographed dance. What you have to do, although, is just copy me, okay? Just copy me. Let's do like this little drill. Whatever I do, you do, okay? Can I get an okay? Okay. Okay, you know what? Say hey! 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 Okay, everybody's just like shy, okay. No problem. Just copy me, okay? Whatever I do, you do. Not yet, Gautam. Just hold on, please. Thank you. Hey! 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 Loosen up a little, guys. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Not just that, it's going to be on music. So I'm not going to be talking. So you do what I do, okay? I make you dance today. I make you move today, okay?
So we also have a Q&A before the final photo op. All right, I'd like to invite on stage Ms. Krishnama Kapadia. Once again, I'd like to request Disha to please just stay for a few minutes for a Q&A with Krishnama. And if you guys have any questions about the association with Disha and Westin or about the wellness programs here, they'd both be more than happy to answer them now. Thank you. Guys, so do we have any questions for Disha or Krishnama? If we do, we have just a few minutes that they can answer that in. Any questions? Any questions? I think everyone enjoyed that Zumba so much, they just want to get back to dancing.
In case you want to ask any questions.
Thank you.
Tell us something about the overall experience to let's show that they have seen the video.
जी
कैसा रहा आपका?
बहुत अच्छा रहा। 3 चीज़ों पे हमने काम किया है, ईट वेल, स्लीप वेल, मूव वेल। स्लीप वेल मेरा बेस्ट था क्योंकि मैं एक्चुअली सो रही थी, वो इतना कंफर्टेबल था बेड। और खाना बहुत आपने ट्राई किया नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं, बट खाना बहुत अच्छा है इधर का। और तीसरा जो है मूव वेल, जो मैं बहुत फॉलो करती हूँ, जिम करती हूँ, डांसिंग पसंद है मुझे, एंड जस्ट लाइक फीलिंग हैप्पी व्हेन यू डांस। सो ये 3 चीज़ों पे काम किया है। और वेस्टर्नों में एक ही चीज़ पे बिलीव करते हैं कि हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हेल्दी रहना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो काफ़ी अच्छे कोलैबोरेशन है।
What are the things important for you when it's come to a brand ambassador and when it's come to a fitness also? क्या ऐसी चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं आपके लिए किसी ब्रांड से एसोसिएशन करना?
आई थिंक बिलीविंग इन द ब्रांड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आप कुछ ऐसी चीज़ को आप उसके साथ एसोसिएट नहीं हो सकते जिस पे आप बिलीव ही नहीं करते हो। तो बहुत लकीली आपको एक चांस मिलता है कि आप जिस चीज़ पे बिलीव करते हो आपको उसके साथ एसोसिएशन मिले। और वेस्टर्नों में बहुत साथ एक जैसा सोचते हैं, एंड आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी एंड ग्रेटफुल दैट आई हैव गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क विद वेस्टर्न, व्हिच इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट ब्रांड्स हियर।
एंड आप सोशल मीडिया की बात करें, लाइक आई थिंक आपको इंस्टाग्राम काफ़ी पसंद है, आए दिन आपके वीडियोस देखते हैं,
सबको पसंद है, सब इंस्टा करते हैं जी।
तो क्या कहना चाहिए, कितना अच्छा लगता है जब इस तरह से लोगों का प्यार भी इंस्टा से मिलता है आपको, और वीडियोस भी हम देखते हैं आपके।
अच्छा, थैंक यू थैंक यू वीडियो देखने के लिए। बहुत अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि आई डोंट नो, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी ग्रेटफुल, बहुत लकी हूँ कि लोग मेरी वीडियोस देखते हैं, तो थैंक यू सो मच।
यू आर लकी इन बॉलीवुड, जो अमूमन हम देखते हैं न्यूकमर्स को जो काफ़ी स्ट्रगल करते हैं, और यू आर वेरी लकी टू हैव अ बैक टू बैक हिट फिल्म
जी।
यू फील दैट
आई एम वेरी लकी, आई एम वेरी लकी, आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद गॉड, फैमिली की मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली एक्टर बनने की, उसके बाद मेरी फिल्म्स अच्छा कर रही है, तो मैं बहुत लकी हूँ। बस मेहनत करना चाहती हूँ, काम करना चाहती हूँ।
जैसे बैलेंस, ये जो 6 पिलर्स हैं जो आपने स्लीप वाले, तो इनके सबसे अच्छा बैलेंस का तरीका आपका क्या होगा या क्या होना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ सोचती हैं आप?
बैलेंस मतलब
संतुलन की कितना स्लीप करना है, कितना वर्क करना है, कितना ये करना है,
वो आपका बॉडी, जब आपका बॉडी थक गया तो आप रुक जाओ, जब आपको भूख लगे खा लो, जब आपको नींद आ रही आप सो जाओ, तो जो आपकी बॉडी बोले आप वो करो। आई थिंक वो एक सबसे बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन है।
हम ज़्यादा करके एक्ट्रेस या एक्टर को देखते हैं, जिम जाना काफ़ी लोगों को पसंद नहीं होता, आपको भी ऐसा है?
जिम जाना किसी को पसंद नहीं है, पर एक नेसेसिटी है, नीड है, और एक पॉइंट के बाद एक्चुअली जिम जाना नहीं जाना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, आपका एक लाइफस्टाइल हो जाता है कि आप डेली जाके अपने बॉडी पे काम कर रहे हो, आप वर्क कर रहे हो, आप वेट उठा रहे हो ताकि आप स्ट्रॉन्ग बन रहे हो, तो वो दिमाग आपका शिफ्ट हो जाता है बॉडी से स्ट्रेंथ पे।
तो बात करते हैं, जब हम देखते हैं फिटनेस, जब जिन्हें ज़्यादा जिम बॉडी फिगर रहती है या फिटनेस रहती है, तो वो ज़्यादा करके स्पोर्ट्स में काफ़ी उनका इंटरेस्ट होता है।
जी।
तो आपका है ऐसा कुछ?
मैं बास्केटबॉल खेलती हूँ, और मैं जब छोटी थी मैं स्टेट लेवल खेलती थी।
ओके।
तो अभी तो खैर बंद हो गया है, बट ट्राई करती हूँ, कभी टाइम मिले, कुछ लोग मिले खेलने के लिए तो अभी भी खेल लेती हूँ।
और जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, यू आर वेरी लकी टू हैव अ ग्रेट फिल्म्स एंड हिट टू हिट, एंड नाउ यू आर कमिंग विद अ टी सीरीज आल्सो, भारत।
ओके।
हाँ, या लाइक पहले साजिद नाडियाड वाला एंड नाउ भारत, व्हाट यू वांट टू से, लाइक सलमान आल्सो वाज देयर।
जी, बहुत लकी हूँ, जैसे आपने बोला, बस लक चल रहा है और भगवान का और फैमिली का प्यार है, जो आई एम गेटिंग वर्क। बस मेहनत पे आई थिंक दुनिया बेस्ड है, मेहनत करोगे तो अच्छा होगा।
You see your fit in a Bollywood besides Tiger?
ओके।
फिटनेस पे पूछना।
नहीं, आप फिटनेस पे नहीं पूछिए।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन was fitness also.
मैं मैरिड की स्पोर्ट्स
Sure.
पर्सन लेके आ रही हूँ, so we do one last question and then
हो गया रहमान भाई, यूज़ करो ना।
Like I think she's just, there is no better option than Disha, which is why we have her as our brand ambassador. And like I mentioned, earlier when I addressed the media, she's really the perfect fit for this particular brand and to really amplify the concept of wellness. Just look at her, she's so beautiful, she's so fit, and she's really an avid fitness enthusiast, and she's really the right kind of person we want, who can advocate this concept, who can and who can create that kind of inspiration for our guests to lead healthier lives. And so we're really proud to have her on board, and we're really excited with all the initiatives that we're going to do with Disha. So Disha, welcome into our family, and she's just going to be the best fit for the Western brand. Thank you.
Disha, whom you see your fit in a Bollywood beside Tiger?
Who's fit? All the actors
One
are
of
fit.
your favorite.
They all are fit. They all are good looking. I can't say.
Thank
thank you so much.
They all are, yeah, I don't.
Thank you.